Hello student, following question is from test series 6, subject mathematics, chapter numerical method, and the question is asked for 2 marks. Question is for dy by dx equal to 1 plus xy, given that y is equal to 1 when x is equal to 0, then the value of y of 0.1 using the Taylor series up to 4th approximation is dash. So what I can say, using Taylor series, y would be equal to y0 plus x minus x naught times y dash of 0, then plus x minus x naught whole square divided by 2 factorial y double dash of 0 plus x minus x naught whole cube 3 factorial y triple dash of 0 plus so on. This is nothing but using Taylor series. Fine. So y dash is initially y dash of 0 would be 1 plus x0 y0, that is nothing but x0 is given to be 0 and y0 is given to be 1. We have this to be equal to 1. Now y double dash of 0 would be, taking one more derivative of this, so what we have is 1 plus y plus we will have x of y dash. So if we are taking the 0 off here, so we have all of this to be 0, so this would be 1 plus 1, this again would be 0, so it would be simply 2. Now y triple dash of 0 would be, taking one more derivative of this, so you get 1 plus y dash plus y double dash times x plus y dash. So if we are taking the initial values like this, so we will have like this, so this would be 1 plus y dash is 1 plus, since x0 is 0, this will go again 1, so will give us 3, so plus and so on. So if I am rewriting the value of y, what I will have is, I will be having 1 plus x minus x0, that is nothing but x minus 1, sorry, it would be x minus 0, that is simply x. So this would be 1 plus x times 1 plus x square divided by 2 factorial times 2 plus x cube divided by 3 factorial times 3 plus so on. Sorry, I have made a slight mistake, this would be 0, so this would be simply 1. Okay, and similarly this won't be there, as this portion won't be there, so what we will have is, this portion would be 2, and similarly if we still follow, y raised to 4 times 0 would be equal to 3 and so on. So here we will have 2, here instead of 3 we will have 2 plus so on. Okay, so what we will have finally is, this would be equal to 1 plus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 plus x raised to 4 by 6 plus so on. Now we want to find the Taylor series up to 4th approximation for y of 0.1. So if we simply put x is equal to 0.1, if we substitute x equal to 0.1 and solve this, we get y of 0.1 to be equal to, if we substitute x is equal to 0.1, we get the value of y of 0.1 to be equal to 1.1053, that is nothing but option B. Thank you.